Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith's EuRo YouTube channel. Today we're back working on our 3.6 drag car. This is going to be a really short, simple video. This is for anyone with a Mark II, Mark III, or anyone that just wants to build something for their car. We're going to be building a strut support bar. Now, with these cars, we have these really weird back ends. There's no bolts, nothing like that. All you have are these strut towers. What I've done, and basically if you buy any aftermarket bar, this is what it's going to be. You buy 1 3/4" exhaust repair kits. These are the ones that come with this band and then a U-bolt. So 1 3/4" fits perfectly around there. You make sure that you get one that has a flat edge. Get two, one's over there, one's over here. Go to any hardware store. I go to Tractor Supply because it's real cheap. And grab 3/4 inch by 4 foot tubing. Literally the idea is you weld one side there, one side there. All you have to do is make a cut and have a MIG welder. This is the best way and the cheapest way to strengthen your chassis. So right now, I'm just gonna measure, cut, weld, show you the finished product. So that's basically it. It's in there. Just gotta finish welding it. It's easy now, it's nice and tacked. You can just unbolt it, pull it out, final weld it, grind it if you got to, and paint it. It's that easy. Show you the finished product in a second. Nice and easy. Probably one of the easiest things you can make for your car. I'll show you it installed in a second. All done with the project. It took less than 20 minutes and I think it looks pretty good. Nice in there, nice and straight. It's definitely gonna keep some flex out, keep the back of this nice and rigid. I did cut out the entire back section of this car, save some weight. So added in some rigidity and just a little bit of weight. I think we'll be good with that. Everything's in there nice and tight. And yeah, if you guys are considering buying like the EuRoSpOrT or something like that, they're like 90 to 100 bucks plus shipping. For, I think I paid 15 bucks for the clamps and 5 bucks for the metal and some welding and paint. There's no reason not to make this yourself. So yeah guys, if you like what you saw today, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, stick around on the channel, subscribe. We do have this, this is my 3.6 VR6 all motor car. Plan to make a bunch of power and plan to be really competitive in all motor racing. So we're in a mad dash right now to try to get this thing finished, doing all the wiring and stuff now. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.